All right, guys, I'm on a rampage. It's a coffee maker rampage. I got so frustrated with that Flex Brew that I decided to pick up the brand that works good for me already. It's the Keurig. They have the Keurig Duo Plus. And the reason I bought this, the reason is that this does a carafe, a whole carafe, and it does K-Cups also, but it also gives you size choices for your K-Cups. So if I remember correctly, it gives you 6, 10, and 12 ounce cups for your K-Cups, and 6, 8, and 10, and 12. You can even choose how much coffee you want in your carafe. That's what I'm looking for. This is a cool design because it does have two sections. It has one section I'm going to show you in a minute. Come on in close, take a look at it. Well, I've got my coffee cup right here. I got my coffee grounds right here, same ones I used on the other machine. And then this bad boy, look, it has one right here. It has just one outlet. So if you want the K-Cups, you put your cup underneath. If you want a pot of coffee, you put your pot underneath it. What a great design. I'm telling you, that's the way it should be. So this is called, once again, the Keurig Duo Plus. Let's open it up. I have no idea how it works. We're going to try it out together, okay? How impressed already are you with this design? Look at this. You got a big water tank. You've got one outlet. That's it. So you put your pot under here if you're doing a whole pot of coffee, and let it just drain right in there. It's got a little groove so it doesn't, so you got it centered always. And if you don't want a pot of coffee, you can just place your cup of coffee just like that. Isn't that great? What a great design. Okay, so what comes in the package is the whole coffee maker. You get a pot, a carafe, holds up to 12 cups, a full pot of coffee. You get a filter for your water. You get a filter holder. Your filter goes right there. But since we have a whole house filter, we don't need to include these. We don't use these in our coffee pot. We do clean it out regularly with vinegar and water and run it through the system just to clean everything out. Oh, the most exciting part? Look at the size of this plug. Look how long that is. It goes off camera. I can reach anywhere to plug in my coffee pot. That's the way it should be. Are you guys excited yet? Let's get brewing. Okay, I just want to show you the top of this. This is where all your controls are. There's your readout. Let's turn it on and see if it lights up. Is it lit up yet? And how do you turn it on? Look how bright that readout is. It's not a dim readout like that Flex Brew. I'll set the clock in a minute. Let me turn it off so it doesn't start brewing. Here's where you choose carafe or K-Cup. Here's where you get your sizes. Whether it's carafe or K-Cup, you can choose 6, 8, 10, or 12. All right? Here's where you set your clock. Here's where you auto do it. And here's the strong button if you want strong coffee. That is so cool. Oh, I guess it doesn't turn off. I guess the clock stays on. All right. So anyway, let's get this filled up and get brewing some coffee. Okay, so I spent the last 10 minutes looking for how to put my coffee grounds in. I didn't see this little handle here. There's a drawer. It should come right out. Comes right out. You can take the basket out. They give you a filter basket, and you can put your coffee grounds right in there. Or you can use a paper one if you want and drop it in there too. All right, I've put a little bit of coffee grounds in this. We're going to drop it in now. Right in there. We're going to close it. Close that up. Then we're going to fill our water up. Just for added precaution, I am going to use the filter. Oh, it just sets right on top of that black circle. There we go. And then take your water and pour it in. There's 12 cups maximum. Set your cover back on. And it looks a little wobbly, but it's on securely. All right, we're going to turn it on. Press the on button. And then we're going to do carafe. We're going to hit 12 cups. How do you know it's on carafe? Oh, it lights up now. Now that it's full of water, the display is lit up, and I hit carafe and it lights up, and I hit 12. And it lights up carafe 12, and then start. See what happens. I'm going to time it right now. Okay, you guys are not going to believe this, but a whole pot of coffee. I timed it. If you remember, the Flex Brew took 15 minutes. This one only took 9 minutes. Bam. There's another plus. All right, let's pour it out now. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's a full pot, all right. Looks beautiful. All right, we're gonna let that cool. Put this back on. Keeps it warm for up to 2 hours before it shuts off. So that's pretty cool. Burning hot. You cool down. All right, let's try it out. I think it's cooled off a little bit. That's a good cup of coffee right there. You want one? I got a whole pot. Anyway, it's time to fill this back up and do our K-Cups. And I got the same K-Cup as last time we tested this on the Flex Brew, okay? We're going to test it out. It took, 1 minute on this Keurig. So we'll see how fast it does it on this one, okay? We're going to put it up against itself. All right. Now, if you guys saw the Flex Brew, it was a big failure on the K-Cups. It gave me about that much coffee at the bottom of my cup. And then it stopped. I have no idea why it did that. So let's open up the K-Cup insert area. Put our K-Cup in. And when you close it, it should be puncturing. There we go. And that punctures it. I got water already in my tank. And I'm going to... Did it turn off? Yeah, it turned off. So let's hit K-Cups. I'm going to hit 12 ounces. And I'm going to hit start. And when it starts brewing is when I time it. I am so impressed. This 12-ounce cup of coffee took 1 minute. I did 8 ounces last time I did the Flex Brew test. My Keurig took 1 minute. So now it can do even more just as fast. So that is amazing. Let's try this out. Wow. That's delicious. That is strong too, and I didn't even hit the strong button. That's stronger than that one. That's weird. But yeah, it's really good. Coffee's amazing. This is easy to know and learn. Has everything you need. You could choose K-Cup sizes. You could choose carafe sizes. This is a go. This is the one I would give for Christmas. If you want to take a look at it closer for all the details and all the specs, I'll have a link down below that you can look at the device, grab it on sale, do whatever you can, okay? But yeah, I highly recommend this one. This is a success, unlike that Flex Brew we did. Has a bright display. It brews really fast. Took 9 minutes. 9 minutes for a pot of coffee. 1 minute for a K-Cup. You can't ask for anything more. All right? I love you guys. Thank goodness. I am very happy right now. I think I'm going to keep this in my kitchen.